that will be there. So this is the syllabus of English for class 10 pre-midterm exam. Now class 12. First, commerce I will talk about. Economics, chapter number 1, circular flow of income. Then chapter number 2, basic concept of macroeconomics. And chapter number 3, national income and related aggregates. So 3 chapters are there. BS, business study, chapter number 1, management concept, chapter number 2, principle of management, and chapter number 4, planning. So 3 chapters will be there in BS. And in accountancy, chapter number 2, partnership account, and chapter number 3, admission of a partner. 2 chapters will be there. Now coming back to the science class 12. Chemistry, chapter number 9, coordination compounds, chapter number 14, biomolecules, chapter number 15, polymers, chapter number 16, chemistry in everyday life. So 4 chapters are there. Chapter number 9, chapter number 14, chapter number 15, and chapter number 16 will be there in the syllabus of pre-midterm. Now biology. In biology, chapter number 13, 1-3, chapter number 14, chapter number 15, and chapter number 16 will be there in the syllabus. Chapter number 13, 14, 15, and 16 will be there in the syllabus of class 12 science biology pre-midterm exam. Now talking about maths. So maths, chapter number 12, linear programming will be there, and chapter number 13, probability will be there. Now English, that is common for science and commerce. Poem from Vistas. Vistas is the name of the book. My Mother at 66 and Keeping Quiet. These 2 are there. Prose, that is, you know about that. From prose, first one is On the Face of It, that is from Vistas. Memories of Childhood, that is also from Vistas. And the Last Lesson, that is from Flamingo. So these 3 are there. Now talking about Hindi. Hindi is also common for science and commerce. So in Hindi, Aro is the name of the book. Bhagdo, yani part 2. In that, first one is Atma Parichay, second one Din Jaldi Jaldi Dhalta Hai. Then Patang will be there, and then Kavita Ke Bahane, and then Baat Seedhi Thi Par. So I repeat the chapters. Atma Parichay, Din Jaldi Jaldi Dhalta Hai, Patang, Kavita Ke Bahane, Baat Seedhi Thi Par. That is Aro Bhagdo part 2. Now again Hindi, the another book is Vitan. So from that part 2, Vitan mein se part 2 mein silver wedding will be there, and Abhivyakti Madhyam, in that Jan Sanchar and report will be there. Abhivyakti Madhyam, I think it's a communication. In that Jan Sanchar and report will be there. Now Arabic, that is also common for class 12 science and commerce. Chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 for the from the textbook, I should say. And from grammar, Mahmuz. In Mahmuz, subtopic are Mahmuzul Fa, Mahmuzul Ain, and Mahmuzul Lam. That will be there. Second one is Motal, M-O-T-A-L, Motal. That is Mishal, subtopic I am talking about. Mishal, Azwaf, and Nakish will be there. And third one is Muzaf, that will be there. I am extremely sorry in Arabic department if any pronunciation is here and there. Pardon me for that, please. So I think most of the things I have declared or I have already announced today, the syllabus of most of the subject. If any subject is not declared right now, Don't be panic. Very soon, very early, definitely I am going to declare the syllabus of that subject also. In the last, again I would like to clear to the students, please, whatever chapters I have mentioned right now, at your convenient time, please see the videos, online lectures, and see all this topic, please. This will be the syllabus of your pre-midterm exam. Students, listen here. Our school, we people, even at home also think about you. We want you people just don't get mentally disturbed by staying at home for a long time. Let's make our home as a school right now. Sometimes situations are not in our control, not my control, not your control, not the government control. So it's not that we should just sitting at home doing nothing. I said again, हम अपने घर को ही school बना लेते हैं. So let's make right now. And let me tell you one thing, I'm extremely happy. Why? Because the time which we have spent right now, if the same time which suppose we would have spent in the school, I don't think that we would have done something bigger or better than this. We have done something special, definitely, for sure. Now one thing I would like to say, if you have any doubts, any queries, any problems are there regarding particular chapter or any question, principal doors are always open. Ask the question. Most of the time I try my best to give you the answer of that. One more thing I would like to say is that, as I said, something is better than nothing. I want that students should get all the benefits. I don't want the students to be panicked for any kind of reason. And we are trying our best, our team is trying our best. I know right now we all are eager to come to the school, we want to go to the school, but we are helpless right now. So wait for the government order. If the government order comes early, the exam will be conducted in the school, and by chance if there is any kind of delay due to genuine reason, then exam will be online, but we will not disturb our schedule. Okay, so hope for the best. And let me tell you one more thing, all this subject, as a principal I told you, but I am not expert of all the subjects. So at any place, any moment in pronunciation somewhere, if maybe I speak something differently, I have spoken something differently, just pardon me for that. My duty is just to convey the message to you. So hope you got the message. And for remaining few subjects, very soon I am going to give you the syllabus of that also. Thank you very much. May Almighty bless all of us, entire world right now. Okay, thank you very much. Have a very good day.